Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Okay, and awa po ng Diyos, meron na naman po tayong panibagong vlog. But before I start guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button kung hindi pa po kayo subscriber. And please click the notification bell para po updated kayo sa mga videos ko. Thanks in advance guys! Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, yan, awa po ng Diyos once again. Meron naman po tayong panibagong vlog. And ayan guys, so gagawin ko ito ng vlog guys dahil medyo natuwa ako, no. Ayan. So this is a ship knob. Okay. My car is a Toyota Innova and ayan guys. Naisipan kong bumili nito because it lights up and para na rin maingatan natin yung ating ship knob. Okay. So this one will be itatago ko na muna siguro. Hopefully mag-match itong natin, yung thread niya dito sa ating no. So by the way, ayan, ganyan siya, ang ganda, napaka-presentable, no. This is Ford Tiura. Ayan, naka-box siya, no. Ayan, naka-box. Okay, K90YT. Ang ating seller is si Car Guarder. Okay, ito siya guys. Ito niya. Ito ninyo yung pangalan ng seller is, wait guys yan, Car Guarder. Okay, so okay, anyway, ito yung makikita natin sa box upon opening. The charging wire. Okay, charging wire. Oh, meron pa siyang charger, meron pa siyang charger. However, I think I will not be making use of this unless siguro sa mga ibang bagay na lang. Anyway, ito yung guys. Ito yung parang extension niya yata ito. And this seems plastic, parang plastic to guys. So kung gusto mong habaan siguro, yan pa yung isa, extension din. Okay. Anyway, let me see this. Okay, so sana mag-fit yung guys, yung thread kasi parang hindi yata fit yung thread. Naku po, kinakabahan na ako. Okay, it fits guys, it fits, no. Ayan, no, naglalak siya, very good, no. And that's how it's gonna look like, I guess. Okay, so yan, ganyan siya guys, napaka-presentable. Pero bago ko ilalagay yan guys, is syempre gagamitan ko siya ng guys, gagamitin ko yung extension niya, no. Okay, so this is ganito ba yan? Ganito ba? Tama ba? Or mauna yung, wait, meron ba siyang labeling on how to put it? Okay, so parang wala naman guys. Okay, so it's like this ba? Ganyan ba? Or ganyan? Don't know, no. Wait guys, check ko lang ha. Okay, so this is how it's the first yung short na ganyan na magiging itsura niya guys. So ang difference lang is this is much longer, so ganyan na magiging itsura niya. So na choice ninyo guys kung hanggang dito nyo gusto or hanggang ganyan. Okay, so that's the only difference of this one, so that's good. And ayan na nga, so try natin yung mahaba guys. Ito yung short. Okay, and then yung nito guys, yung sensor niya parang something dito ayan, dito nagsisensor. Kasi every time I touch it here, parang wala. Tingnan natin kung wala. Ayun, yun yung difference niya guys. Meron siyang, nag-iiba-iba yung color niya, no? Which is really good. Pakaganda. Ayan guys, medyo kailangan ng punas lang no? Yeah. No? Anyway, sandali. Install ko muna itong mahaba so that we can check if what's better, kung ito ba or itong mas mahaba. Okay, wait lang guys. By the way, para lang din malaman pala ninyo, yan guys yung pag-install niya guys is meron silang hindi makita dito Sandali guys Ayan guys, ito nakikita nyo yung dalawang ano na yun, line na yun, dalawang line din sa kabila. Yun ang i-align natin dito guys. Ayan. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba tong line na to? Ayan guys, ito. So, pag i-install nyo yan, ayan, may kabila ang parang ano yan, line dyan na kakabitan nyo. I-align nyo siya dito. Ayan, ito. Itong linyang to, itong, ayan, ito, no? Doon mag-a-align itong mga to. Ayan, no? Yun yung parang maglalak sa kanya. So, sandali guys, ikabit ko na muna. Kailangan ko kasi ng dalawang kamay for me to install it dahil mahirap pag nag-iisa lang ako tayong camera. Wait lang guys. So, yan guys. Yan ang ano niya. Yan yung long version. And I think this is more mas okay to guys. For me ha. No, yeah. So this is the smaller version and that is the longer version and this looks good. So ayan guys, pag hahawakan ko dito, ayan, walang sensor dito, no. Pero pag hinawakan ko dito, yan, iilaw guys. Ayan, dito yung sensor talaga niya. So every time that you touch it like that, it will light up and it's good, no. Ayan. Yan yung sinasabi ko guys. Ang ganda niya, no. What do you call this? Panalo yung ano niya guys, panalo yung ano niya, yung product na ito. So ayun, if you want to buy it, just search for the seller, Car Guarder. Sa Lazada ito nabili. I bought it at around 700 or 650 and grabe guys, yung 650 nyo worth it na worth it. And ayan, hopefully siguro sa pag-check niyan is pag i-charge ko na lang siya, doon ko malalaman kung goods na charging siya. Pero ganun pa man, nasa may susi. Pakita ko na sa inyo kung anong itsura niya pagka charge natin siya. Wait, saan ba yung susi ko? Okay, wait. So yan na yan guys, bali ano siya guys, bali yan, tinry ko nung nilagay ko yung charging cable natin. By the way, I've used my charger na lang dito kasi ayan. So ayan, nakikita nyo nagbi-blink. So pag nag-charge siya, pag namatay siya guys, pag namatay yung ilaw at habang naka-charging siya, ganyan yung mangyayari. Blinking siya while charging. So ganun ang indication na nag-charge siya niyan. So siguro kung sira siya, hindi siya magaganyan, okay? So bali niyan, as of the moment, charging siya, ibig sabihin yan, goods na tayo niyan, okay? So yun guys, I think we're done. Yan na po ang ating vlog today. Thank you. Thanks for watching and keep safe everyone. Thanks be to God. Bye for now. Bye.